guys, and welcome back to Catch-UpLAB. My name is Chef Bruce from Bressington and welcome to my kitchen. And today we're going to do a really easy strawberry jam recipe. Alright, to start we've got some beautifully in-season strawberries, about 500 grams. We've got 150 grams sugar, half a lemon, and then finely sliced mint, which we're going to add at the end. We add the strawberries into the pot. Then we add the lemon. And we're just heating that up for a little while before we add the sugar. And we add the rest of the lemon inside as well, so that the pectin inside the lemon rind will thicken the jam. After a minute or two, we can add the sugar. Just try to add it in the middle so it doesn't touch your sides, and then just lightly shake it. And we're just going to wait until the sugar dissolves. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, we take the lemon out. Give it a good stir, and then we add our mint and we take it off the heat. And that's done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you next time.